Bucky and Pepito, such a funny, funny pair. When anyone needs helping, they always lend a hand. Bucky and Pepito are known throughout the land. The animals all love them, bad hombres shake with fear. When Bucky and Pepito are trailing very, very near.
You remember me, I'm Texas Jack. You know my boys, Bucky and Pepito. I calls them my boys because I just loves to tease them. See that nice little old stucco house over there with that tile roof? That there's Pepito's house. Now I figures if Pepito's at home, these rocks will rouse him. Sounds like a regular hailstorm. Well, I declare, here comes Bucky. This is my lucky day. For that nice timing. That's a real nice fight. Well, that was over quick. Gotta think of something else. When I start teasing, I don't stop. Ever see a Texas Jack hop with a bucket of water? They're playing checkers together. All friendly like again. Now, watch this.
Who did that?
They never learned you can't run down a Texas Jack.
Faster, Pepito. We can wear him down. We will get that pesky jackrabbit.
I just hates to get too far ahead. And now to go into some fancy hopping. This is called the Texas Jack Swan Hop.
Smart Alex, show off. We'll get him.
This hop is so long, I can sit down and rest before it's over.
We keep running. Hey, Buckalito? He can't keep this up forever. He's big show-off.
And with my eyes shut, too. My, oh my. Now, where was I? Oh, I remember. They're catching up. Uh-oh.
Gotcha, you pesky Jack.
He's right. They got me fair and square.
We'll put him in a cage and he'll never get out.
Cute kid. Confidentially, I could bite this rope. But that's too easy. I'll put on my hurt foot act. This'll get him.
What's the trouble? What are we gonna do, Buckalito? Looks like he hurt his foot. We're gonna let him go this time. Yes? Promise you'll cut out the troublemaking if we let you go, Mr. Jack? Okay. Untie him, Pepito. Let's go, Bucky. You don't bother us no more.
That there's a Texas Longhorn on the open range.
Pepito, one of my Texas Longhorns got loose. If he catches us, we're goners. Run! Run!
Looks like I'm going to have to take a hand. Didn't know a Texas Jack could throw a steer, did you?
Keep her running, Pepito. Don't look back. Oh, me?
Hey, what's the big idea, Jack? Ain't we Texan partners?
That's right, partner. But you see, those are my boys. And I gotta take care of them. Why, if anything happened to them kids, I'd be plumb lonesome. I just love to tease them. Now, you be around next time I starts my act. Did you hear?